हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है ब्रिजेश एंड मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूँ अपने चैनल SIC पे। तो स्टूडेंट, एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर इन माय फर्स्ट वीडियो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट थ्री टेक्नोलॉजीज IoT, AI and ML. So about AI and ML we are going to start those series after a period of 1 month. So first of all we are going with the first technology, IoT. That is a very easy to understand technology and a very good technology to learn at the present. It has a huge future and as well as the huge market. We can make products using IoT and those products will be the everywhere sale and it has a good market. So ये हमारी IoT सीरीज का पहला लेक्चर है जिसमें कि मैं आपको IoT के बारे में, that what is IoT, how IoT works, what are the components for IoT and how IoT evolved, what is the future of IoT, history of IoT, that we are going to talk about these all points in this video. And what is the main point in the learning IoT, why to choose IoT? The main point is IoT that this is not a theory subject. You are only going to have the first two videos as a theory subject to learn that what is IoT, to understand the concept of IoT, because it's do not have a proper definition. If you go on different sites, different books, you find a different definitions, different perspectives, different things. So I am going to tell you a professional as well as a layman definition, so that you have both the concept. If you have to explain the definition to a layman who do not know any technical things, that you can explain it in a layman language. I am going to discuss about the layman language further. So first of all we are going to start with the technical definition, that if you go in any seminar or if a technical person asks you that what IoT is, you need to speak this definition. This is given by the ITU and IRC. So अब थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा, definition थोड़ी लेंथी और कॉम्प्लेक्स है तो इसको थोड़ा धीरे बोलूंगा और थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम बोर्ड पे लिख लेते हैं, बट दैट इज इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज IoT, दैट इज इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो अब थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक डेफिनेशन ऑफ IoT. So IoT is defined by ITU and IRC as a dynamic global network infrastructure with self-configuring capabilities based on standard and interoperable communication protocol, where physical and virtual things have identities, physical attributes and virtual personalities, and use intelligent interfaces and are seamlessly integrated to the information network. So this is the professional definition which you need to speak or write in your exams to get good marks. This definition includes the whole IoT concept, but it is not as complex as I speak. So this was a complex definition that you need to remember. As this is not a theory subject, you can at least learn 2 to 3 definitions which can impress a person or you can explain in a good manner. So now I am going to talk about the layman language definition, that what actually IoT is. So as you know, I for internet, O for off and T for things. Internet of things. I guess all you know that what is internet. Everyone use internet in the time. So now what are things? Things can be anything. That can be your marker, that can be your bench, that can be your door, that can be your projector, that can be your fan, that can be anything that you can think of that surrounds us is a thing. So now what does IoT concept means? IoT concept means that anything you have with surrounding, like your pen, like this door, you can connect to that internet, so that this device has the, as I speak in the complex definition, that your thing should have a personality. It should have a virtual personality and it should have its own identity, that is identical. And if we make this door to communicate through internet, we connect this gate to the internet, so that internet can get the information that door is opening and closed using different things. I am going to explain in the further video that what are those things, and in this video I am going to tell you about the components of IoT. So simply what IoT means, IoT means is anything that surrounds us, like anything you can think of. If we give them a proper identity, unique identity, and connect them to the internet, so that we can collect data through sensors like human body. Like we have the data, like we have touch sensor, we can feel, like Like similarly, this is non-living thing. So we need to attach some component to it so that it can sense well. So we will, like a door, we will attach ultrasonic sensor. We are going to talk about different sensors, different actuators that hold IoT. These are the basically the components of IoT on which the IoT works. So we will attach a sensor like we feel, so that door can also feel, so that if we want to operate a door from anywhere else in the world, we will connect to the internet. We will give a command to the internet from our phones or any other device. It will give command to the door. So this is basically what the IoT means: connecting anything to internet to operate it from the different part of the world, to make our work easier. Like we talk about a simple example. Like we go to the offices. So simple example लेते हैं. Simple example in which we go to the offices. So there we have we have ACs. So what is the problem आती है हमको कि if we want to on our AC, so we need to go our home and then we switch on the AC. So think about if we give different personality and anything that we can connect AC to the internet and we can operate it from our office. Like we sit in the office, we know we will start from our house at 7 p.m. and we will reach at 7:30. So we need to on our AC from our office, so that if when we reach our house should be cold and or moderate temperature, how much you want. So this is simply what IoT means. We will connect that AC to the internet, and that internet is connected through any interface or any API on our phone. So simply IoT means where we will switch on the AC from our house, it will give command to the internet, the internet will give command to the AC, and AC will be on. So this is what simply IoT means. If you want to explain to any layman what IoT means, you simply say anything that you can think of, give a virtual personality and a unique identity to it, and giving him a protocol or a capability to communicate and share data is what IoT means. So simply what the IoT means is that anything that you can think of providing a unique ID and a capability to connect to the internet, so we can command it through any part of the world. So what does the simply IoT mean? So in the next videos we are going to discuss about the history of IoT, what are the components of IoT, that how IoT works. So these will be the next videos, and the whole content of these videos, like all the definitions and example I am going to speak, is given below in the description, and also WhatsApp group link is given in the description. You can join that group also, and you can get the detailed definition, detailed information about all the videos, and you can get also PPTs, video wise PPT. So अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, and please join our WhatsApp group also, so that we can discuss more about these technologies and we can see how much response is coming from your side, so that we can make more